Hello. In this video, we'll cover performing mass device updates to add two-tier pricing to your devices. In order to perform this per function, we should first check your user profile to make sure that you have the correct permissions. To check your user profile, from your homepage after you've logged into Seed Live, click on Users, and you can either click Search or enter your username and then click Search. Highlight your username and your permissions will populate to the right. You will need the mass device update to have a check mark in that in order to perform this function. If you do not have that check mark, you'd need to reach out to your system administrator and request they add that for your permissions on your account. If you do have the check mark, or once you get that added, to continue, you'll go to the Configuration tab and select Mass Updates. From this screen, we have three update options: Mass Card Update, Mass Device Configuration, and Mass Device Update. Mass device configuration is where we need to go. If you already have the list in an Excel spreadsheet and can copy and paste it, you can do that here. You can manually key the entries, making sure you only enter one per line, or you can use Mass Updates, Mass Device Update to run your own spreadsheet. To do that, in the first paragraph, click on the hyperlink for current active devices. From here, it'll bring up a pop-out box that has your entire account listed. You can open the menu and see either no region if you're not using regions where all your devices will be housed, or the individual regions for all of your devices. And you can select to update the entire account with the spreadsheet, select an individual region, or select individual devices. So we'll go ahead and select a few individual devices just to demonstrate. So we've clicked these 5 here, and we'll click OK. And SeedLive will begin to generate an Excel spreadsheet for you that should automatically come up, or depending on your browser, may populate a icon bar at the bottom to let you know a spreadsheet is ready to open. Once opened, the serial numbers are here in the second column, and you can go ahead and simply copy those, take them back to your SeedLive, go under Mass Updates, and go to the Mass Device Configuration page, where you can paste the numbers. Clicking the Next button brings you back to the Mass Device Configuration page. If you're familiar with that, the two-tier pricing is right here at the top, and all you'll need to do is overwrite the pricing. So if you're adding two-tier pricing, simply add 10 cents. If you have two-tier pricing and need to remove it, just hit the check mark next to two-tier pricing with $0.00 in the field. And for this demonstration, we'll add two-tier pricing. And then we scroll all the way to the bottom until we see the Save and Send button. We'll click that button, and it'll confirm the configuration updates have been scheduled for 5 devices. Now remember, scheduled means that it's queued to run, but has not processed on these, so they will not yet be charging two-tier pricing. The technician in the field can press the red service button on each device in order to force the update, or the devices will call in on the overnight when they're reporting their daily sales numbers and process it at that point. And that concludes adding two-tier pricing for multiple devices. If you do have questions on this or would like a live tutorial, you can contact our service department at 888-561-4748 and follow the options for software assistance.